Irreducible complexity. I know there's been some objection to that here on TikTok, but I would like to just post a little bit from Chuck Missler. He is talking about the flagellum of a bacteria. Take a look at this.
It's an example of irreducible complexity. There are certain things that can't evolve because it takes a certain level of complexity before they're even functional. And let's take the bacteria with a flagellum. You've probably seen them under microscopes in school. Flagellum has a little tail that propels it through the fluid. If you examine that, there's a place where that little tail, the flagellum, enters the bacteria. And we're going to look at just the place where it enters, and we discover something very interesting. There is what's the equivalent of an electric motor with slip rings, all kinds of over 40 parts, any one of which is missing, it doesn't work. And so this is not something that could have happened. It's something that was very skillfully designed. Anybody that's ever been on a design team knows that designs don't happen. They have to be crafted. And I won't get into more of this. That's the basic. See, the real question, the reason the evolutionists can't explain life, it's not they can't explain which came first, the DNA or the proteins. You can't have proteins without the DNA. You can't have the DNA without proteins. It's even deeper than the chicken and egg classic one. It takes protein to construct the DNA. It takes DNA to make the protein.
And the issue even goes beyond that. There's the whole issue of information, of the programming between the protein and the DNA. Honestly, I do not see how an educated person, someone who understands the complexity of a cell, any living cell, anyone who understands that can accept the theory of evolution. I think the answer is it's been pounded into them, and pounded into them with such intensity that they are unable to step back and question it and actually look at what's going on and try to fit that together with what they've been programmed to believe.